I'm just going to show you how to move, resize and delete controls from the Repeat Signage Designer screen. So we start by going to Insert Text Label, in some text, OK, and this adds it to the designer screen. Just going to go to File, Background Colour, choose and OK, and you can now see the control easier. I'm going to select it, hold down the left mouse button, and I can move it anywhere along the screen. I can use the handles to resize using drag and drop. And if I double click into the control, I can edit the properties. So each control has got various tabs. So I'm going to go to the font, change it to 40. And we could change the font color and the background color and other options. So we'll just select OK and we'll just move it over here. If you want to delete your control, you can use the delete key on your keyboard or right mouse click and use the delete option. And to undo any changes, go to the edit button and select undo and it comes back. Just going to right mouse click and show you a handy feature. Select duplicate and this will duplicate your control. And again, if you want to make any changes, just double click into it. And that's how to move, resize and delete controls in the Repeat Signage Designer screen. You can find more training videos on our website at repeatsoftware.com. Thank you for watching.